Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video or answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video I made about the engine whistling. Due to a failure in an exhaust gas cooler gasket exhaust, you can see it. I'll leave you the link in case you haven't seen it. Someone asks me that in a Peugeot 1600e, sometimes it makes a similar noise and some smoke comes out from behind the engine, but since it doesn't do it continuously, no get to see where the smoke comes out. Okay, you have to be careful there because that area is very hot and you can burn yourself. The key is that if you can't see it with the naked eye, wait for the engine to cool down, and what you have to do looking for is a loss of soot. When you hear that noise and see that smoke, well, you already know that soot is coming out of there. Look, we had that problem here with this Opel. This van is an Opel Vivaro Biturbo. The model has 2 turbos, and here we had to look under. Okay, if you look, you see here, this is the joint through which soot was leaking, in this part. Here the key is to see the soot, which comes out in the form of a fan. This is how we discovered that soot was leaking through this part of the joint. There is a complete joint, but it leaks out there, by a corner of the joint. The problem here is that simply, with the vibrations of the engine, the screw that presses it had loosened, here. What we did was tighten that screw and the problem was solved. Okay? As I say, always pay attention to the soot. When it escapes, it usually does it in the form of a fan, and from there you discover where it is coming out. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.